Good morning, everybody. I'm here again with a new job. Today we have a job. This is the MacBook Pro. Model number is A1369. Okay, in this MacBook, we have to replace the new keyboard. We just received it. So, yeah, the new keyboard, we have to just replace it. It's a little bit lengthy job, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just skip a little bit the screw, opening and all stuff, but the jacks and where is the main connection, I will like pause it, slow video, at least you don't really miss anything. So let's begin the job. Move my camera down a little bit. So here is the our job today, and just a little bit more up. So it's the balance now here. Okay, so as usual, the back panel you have to be open it. I already opened it. Put it in the back. Okay, now the next step you have to take out the battery. So which have one, two, three, four, five screws. As you've done this, so just don't forget this jack, power jack here for this to connect with the motherboard. After this, just nicely pull it on a corner and make sure nothing will be connected, right? So the battery is here now. There you go. After this, this is what I do. You have to open the memory stick. This is SSD, so just take it out just for precaution. I just don't want to take any risk with the memory and customer data. So okay, so this is the jack here connected with the motherboard. Just now the next part is the speakers. The speaker have a jack here. Just if you just see, this is a micro jack here. Just pull it, and there is a screws. One screw here, and then there is a glue under this. Take it out. This one like this. The same here, but you have to remove the jack first, and then take out the second speaker as well. Now in this motherboard there are a couple of screws which I already take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more is still pending here, so that we just take out as well. So this is all. See all the screws. One more here. Just remove this, and be careful here. There is small tiny jack for your unlock from here, and nicely. It's very dirty. You will clean later on this one. Now this one is here. Just take it out like this. Be careful. There's a small jack here as well. Just pull it. This is for LCD. And now this is the power jack here. Take it out. Now this is the main board. You have to just careful. There should be some screws at the time. Yeah, there is a screw here. Oh, here you go. So I think it's almost clear from here. Now you have to be careful with the cable and connections. So cable and connections you have to remove nicely, politely, or be gentle with this, because this is sometime when you just pull it and that crack over there. So this is not good. Just careful with this. Now we have a Wi-Fi connection here. Just take it out. So here's the main motherboard. So motherboard also gone. Now we have the main keyboard. Just try to just lift it up a little bit. So easily just remove this, and we have to put the tape a little bit on it on a safe side because we don't want to crack anything. Safety here, always safety first, man. This one you be careful again, even though it's a use, we are not using this, but you have to open this under, there's a lock here. Be careful, and just unlock here. Now our all the keyboard connections are disconnected. Now we carefully, this is the light panel at the back, and it have a glue all of the corners. Careful. It have glue for the all corners, so just carefully take it out nicely, slowly. I always mention, be gentle, because this is going to be, if you just do a little bit harder, it will be there you go. This is basically light panel here at the back, so just don't want to destroy. Sometimes what happens, you can utilize it again. There you go. It's a very light paper. Only just LEDs are there. That's why we just need it. Maybe in case of if we need it again. Now there is our main keyboard. Okay, but the before keyboard there is now. Okay, this is now this one. So this is we have to do. So we again try this corner. Okay, it's almost done. Yeah, just no worry because we have already new one. Okay, now this is the time to take it off. This one for that we have to open the all screws. There's a screws all over this. I'm gonna do what? I just pause this video and open the screws and I continue again because it takes a little bit time to be open the screws. Let me just open it and then we'll restart the video again. So with my final screwdrivers here. There's a screw everywhere. See all the corners, you have to open it one by one. Let me pause this and I will do this to make our video a little bit shorter. Yes, minus screws take a lot of time. Yeah, so almost open all of them. Oh my god, it's a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So it have a 40 screws. You have to be with the micro tiny screwdriver, and now it's done. Okay, now we have double check our new keyboard with this, so and make sure everything is exactly the same and similar, rather than we just pulled out everything and then we see, okay, this is exactly the same. Yep, perfect. Just put it here. Now this is a little bit harder past here, the part, because there is plenty of locks. So either you have to just fold like this. See, it's going to be careful and save your eyes as well. Oh, just need a little bit more strength, more power. There you go. Finally, oh my god. Okay, one more time we just double check with the new keyboard. Everything should be the same. Perfect, awesome, good. So bye bye the old one, it's here. Now we have to just clean up a little bit because it's so messy here. We don't want to be any dust on. If you just realize here, see why the key stopped working, because there are some food or stuff over there. We just clean up a little bit more these keys to not affect. Just open a little bit this side. Yep, see there is some food there already. Just clean up a little bit so the new keyboard doesn't have any problem created. It shouldn't be. Okay, just a little bit more there in this corner. Okay, it's almost clear. Now clean up the screen. So there shouldn't be any. Okay, we'll just clean up in the front as well. Seems to look very good now. Just try a little bit, scratch this one. Dust, because if dust is there and something, food stuff here, so maybe it's cause of shortage. We don't want any trouble for our client. So mostly what happened, when you drop off like any liquid or the food stuff there. So this is the main reason to be stop keyboard mostly stop working. Anyways, it's a clean up perfect now, and then we'll just try to put the new keyboard and we'll see. This is fitting out perfect. Yeah, here you go, perfect. Okay, so now we just here you go. So this is the way. See, now you had to do all the things what we've done before. Let me just move my camera up. This is the whole procedure. I mean, if you have to replace the keyboard, so you have to go through all this procedure. After this, when we put this keyboard, so you have to do all reverse again and then try. It should be awesome. I hope you like my video, and please share it with somebody. Maybe somebody needs this help and he want to learn how he can do his own, to be replace his own keyboard. It's just like sometime adventure. If you have a time and you want to learn and you are interested in this kind of jobs, yes, this is a tutorial for you to help you to done your job at home. Like it, share it, and we definitely come back with some new videos. Take care yourself and have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.